You can trust somebody and not trust them in every area, and I guess that's the whole point of this video. All right, guys, we're back. Day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't even know what day it is, but we're back from Florida. We're back with walks with Cody and Dakota. Do you have any specific questions, or do you want me to start talking?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, I got something. I've got something I've been wanting to talk to you guys about. So, something that I've shared with a lot of my friends and just different people that it helped them. It helped them to think about trust in a different aspect. Is like basically I have buckets of trust for people, and that's been super helpful, I guess, in some ways for me to know where I can trust different people in different areas. So I'll give you guys a couple examples. So one would be like, I have some friends of mine that I trust with my bank account. Like there's certain people that have access to my bank account, who have access to my lines of credit, who have access to all of the money that I own, and I trust them with that. And I truly believe they're trustworthy, and they've never done anything to break that trust. That same person that I trust with money, maybe I would not trust with women. Like I would not trust them in the same house with my wife or somebody that I'm dating for like, a week or so. There is people that I would trust, somebody that I'm dating, that I would not trust with money. And so that's what I've thought a lot about, is just, that's kind of an extreme example, but I've thought about trust in different areas and just having that trust in those different areas. So I'm getting distracted by all the people too. Yeah, I'm like looking around, I'm like, all right, these people here, these people here.
So many.
But yeah, so there's other areas of trust too. So I believe that there's trust in believing that somebody, what they're going to say to you is true. And so there's different aspects even to that, because there's a difference in what they're actually saying is true and then what they're saying that they're going to do is true. Because I know a lot of people get really hyped up. They say, I'm going to do this thing, I'm going to do that thing. And I don't believe them. But that doesn't necessarily mean that they're like telling something that's like dishonest to themselves. They believe in the moment that they're going to do that thing. It's just I've seen it not play out. So I don't trust them in that aspect anymore. And so again, it's just differentiating the different levels of trust that I have in people. So those are a couple different examples. I'm trying to think if there's any other like subcategories that I kind of categorize. So we got money. I don't like if I trust certain people with money. We have like if they're telling me the honest truth in general, like telling me true statements. There's telling me like what they're going to do, that kind of thing. There's trust in relationships. Oh, there's another trust in relationships with somebody not going out and like cheating on you, and somebody who's going to actually be loyal to you. That's a different kind of trust as well. And so, yeah, again, it's just having all of those. There's Ricky.
Ricky Bobby.
It's just having those different buckets of trust for different people. And so what I found is I can have friends that I don't trust with certain business things, that I still have really good friends that I can trust with a lot of other aspects. I can trust them to be honest with me with emotions, other stuff, but I wouldn't trust them with money. And so that helps me with my friendships to kind of set my boundaries, and hopefully it can help you guys to set your boundaries, because you can trust somebody and not trust them in every area. And I guess that's the whole point of this video, is to let you know that you can trust people in certain areas, and it doesn't mean that you don't trust them overall. And there is some people that I just don't trust overall, but there's most people that I'm actually good friends with, I trust in a lot of different areas. But I've not ever had anybody, this is pretty crazy too, I've not ever had anybody that I trust in every single area. And that is an expectation for me whenever I'm going to date or marry somebody, is I want to trust them in every area. I want to trust them that they're telling me the truth. I want to trust them that when they say they're going to do something, they actually do that thing. I want to trust them whenever like I give them access to the bank account, that they're not just going to go take all the money. I want to trust that they're loyal. I want to trust every single area that I've already talked about. I want to trust that person in that specific area if I'm going to be emotionally like with somebody. So
And that's hard, right?
yeah. So at the end of the day, like a lot of people say that I have very high expectations, and honestly, like I do think it is high expectations. Like for me to trust somebody in every single area, that is high expectations, because even my best friends, I don't trust in every single different bucket. So it's a big order, but I also do believe that it's possible. I believe that I am trustworthy in those things. And so I do believe that I'm like, do I mess up? Yes. But like I would say 90% of the time I'm going to be doing those things. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys to learn more about trust and trusting different people. So yeah. Peace.
Peace.
Hopefully that helped. What do you think, buddy?